Alright guys, here's the getting near the last of the videos. What I want to have you guys do is take this section here, okay? We're going to make it the same size as these. And in order to make it the same size, what I want you to do is I want you to highlight these and just click on our paint format button. Remember our paint format button. Click here. And now go and highlight these, and this should make it the same exact size. Okay, once you have that, what I would like you to do next is I want you to click here and I want you to type in total. Okay, and once you have total clicked in, we're going to do the same thing there. We're going to click on this and we're going to click paint format, and then we're going to choose that one. Now what I want to do is I want to bring the attention to the total of this one. I don't really care about these totals. I care about this total here. Okay, what is the final purchase price? So what that is we're going to come over here and I have to click in this section here for that. So when I click here, I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to choose sum. And when I choose sum, I'm going to start from the top and I'm going to drag it all the way down. I'm going to press enter, and this is my total price that I will be paying out for that year. What you'll have to do again is come over here and click on this, and you're going to click there to make the price stand out. I'd like this to be colored so that we have it a different color than the rest of our table, because we're going to do that right now. First we're going to color the text, and we're going to make the text a standout color. I'm going to choose mine to be blue. And I want a background color of something that's going to stand out as well, and I'm going to choose yellow. Okay. In here, in this section here, I want you to highlight these. Make these all the same color as well, but not the same as this. So I'm going to choose this to be red, and I'm going to have my background for this section here. I'm going to have that background to be a light blue. That is going to be the same color that I'm going to choose for all of these right here. So all of these right here are going to be highlighted, just like I did there. And I'm going to make this color here red, and I'm going to make the background that light blue. Okay, it's important that you use the same color. As you see how I have that there. Okay. Last thing you're going to do is I want you guys to get rid of all of these little squares that we have in here. Okay, so to do that, you're going to click here and we're going to choose no borders. And once you've done that, there's not going to be a single border in there. Now we're going to put a border just going around the entire thing, a thick border. Now we're going to click here and the border is just going to go around the outside. You'll see how I have it there. We're going to change the size of that border to make it larger, and we're also going to go and we're going to color that border. So now that I have that selected, I'll click on that again. Let me try it one more time. I'll come down with it. Got it selected. Now I'm going to come over here, and where's my border again? Right here. Click on this one right here. This one here allows me to color that border. I want that border to stand out, pop out. I don't want it to be a red because we're already using red inside there. So we've got to use a color that's going to just jump out and grab us. That's black. We already know that will. But let's just do a different one that's a little bit odd. Okay? So there you go. Now you have your full page of how I would like it to look. The last thing we'll do is the graphing. That'll be on the next video.